Yo, YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today, we are talking about dancing cats. Hindi, seryoso. We're going to talk about Axie Infinity. So yan, di ba? Ang game na pinagkakaguluhan ng Pilipinas ngayon because this is the game where you're supposedly able to earn money. So ano nga ba ang Axie Infinity? Well, in a nutshell, the easiest way for me to explain it, it's just like any other online game, but it is based on cryptocurrency. So what happens is, yung in-game currency that you earn, which is SLP, you can actually convert into Ethereum, which you can convert into pesos. Now, some people are saying that they earn anywhere from, I don't know, 30 to 60,000 pesos per month playing this game just by grinding the SLP. Kasi ang value ng SLP, I think, umabot na ng 20 pesos per SLP. So, medyo mind-blowing siya. However, there are issues and there are problems. And today's episode, yun ang pag-usapan natin. Some of the issues I faced day one of me playing Axie Infinity. So kung excited kayo pakinggan ko ano yun, keep on watching. Let's go. In a nutshell, guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung experience ko playing this game. All that happens to me all of the time. Like 90% of the time. So, pipindutin natin yung play. Maglo-load yung game. Yan na yun. So, loading siya. Antayin lang natin. Axie Infinity Blood Moon Rising. So, yan na siya. Yan na yung game. Tapos, pag pinindot ko yung adventure, tapos pumili ako ng level. Yan, by the way, yung sound na Axie Infinity. So, antayin na natin. Piliin natin yan. Wala. Una ko siyang dinownload dito sa phone ko. I have never been able to play either adventure mode or arena on my phone ever since I downloaded it. Never pa. As in, not once. Nakakalaro lang ako dito sa laptop ko. Pero dito, sa phone na to, never siyang gumagana at all. Never pa. Same thing. Nagahang lang siya. Walang nangyayari. And that is after spending almost 100,000 pesos in buying my Axies. These are my 3 Axies. Shout out to Matthew of Ardor's Gadget Shop for helping me pick my Axies. So yan yung parang cute-cute na aking tank. Ito naman yung parang bird na talagang taga-damage ko. Ito naman yung support. Sobrang cute nilang tatlo. Nakakaaliw sila. Pero hindi ko sila magamit. So nakakabuisit. Hindi ko sila magamit. Try natin mag-PVP. PVP? Kano kaya? Connecting? Ay, wala talaga. Kasi for you to be able to play Axie Infinity, you can either be a scholar, somebody sponsors you and mag-revenue share kayo, maghahanap kayo, mag-apply kayo, or you can actually buy your own Axies and then play it yourself, which I did. So, tuition fee ko yun para matutunan to so I can vlog about it for you guys. So again, I spent almost 100,000 pesos. And bihira ko siya malaro, hindi dahil wala akong time. Bihira ko siya malaro dahil 99% of the time na sinubukan ko siyang laruin, ganyan nangyayari. It crashes, it bugs out, and maraming issue. And umabot na yata sa point that the actual founder, number one, God bless him, actually messaged me on Facebook and explained to me that it's new technology, madaming issues, and they even came out with an announcement earlier on their Facebook page, I think, or on Twitter, saying that they've been adding people to their team to resolve the issues, and apparently they were under like a DDoS attack. Gusto nyo mag-Axie Infinity? Okay lang. But take note that it is not stable. It is not 100% smooth. Kasi I don't see this going away anytime soon eh. So parang this is a perennial problem na lagi nilang aayusin. It's a cat and mouse thing. It would be great if you reach a point na 100% ng smooth si Axie Infinity and lahat ng tao maglalaro na walang problema. I pray and hope for that day and that will be awesome and amazing. But I doubt it will happen anytime soon. In short, kung nag-iisip kayo mag-resign, magpalit, at ito na lang ang gagawin ninyo for the rest of your life dahil pwede ka kumita ng pera, no, don't do it. What I would recommend is treat Axie Infinity as a bonus. Keep your job, keep your salary because that is reliable and that is something that you can count on every month. Nasa control mo yan. That is within your control. Playing a game like this, wala sa control mo yan. Pwede siyang mag-crash, pwede siyang ma-DDoS attack, pwede siyang mawala, pwedeng sumabog, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. So treat it as a bonus for now. Maybe eventually, pwede siyang maging mas reliable. Maybe eventually, it can actually be your 100% thing. But for now, treat it as a bonus, treat it as a side hustle, treat it as extra income. Even if mas malaki na kinikita mo dyan sa sweldo mo, mas importante pa rin may sweldo ka. Kasi yung sweldo mo pwede mo asahan, Ito, hindi pa 100%. Marami na naman magko-comment kasi when I did a comment ranting about Axie Infinity, ang dami nag-defend sa kanya, ang dami nagsasabi, mali ako, etc. etc. And ito experience ko eh. Ano gusto niyo gawin? Baguhin? Kaya niyong baguhin? That's not what happened. It's buggy. It keeps crashing. I need to keep restarting. I need to keep playing. Yun yung totoo eh. Ano gagawin ko? Diba? So, I guess ultimately what needs to happen is that it needs to get fixed. It needs to get stable. Until then, I would maintain it is a nice side thing. It is a nice, fun game. But if it will always be like this, man, laking sakit lang niya talaga sa ulo. Sana maayos talaga nila. I'm hoping. Kasi nga, it's such a wonderful concept. It's such an amazing innovation. Sana, hoping, praying na maayos nila to soon. Si Gian, guys, is one of the first few guys na nakilala ko nag-Axie. So, Gian, bakit ba siya down and down?
Well, two factors. One, external, probably because they're being attacked by some hackers or anything. So that's DDoS. Second would be, it's a game that is still in alpha stage, no? Early access pa siya. So people are still trying, or the developers are still trying to optimize the game. So talagang pwedeng mangyari yan.
O yun, so narinig nyo na mula kay Gian, guys. May magandang article si Gian sa Gadget Pilipinas. I will link it down below tungkol sa Axie Infinity.
Thank you.
Brother, salamat. Talagang camera ko yung kausap mo eh. O, tanong mo yan. Yan lang yung nakikita. So are you guys playing Axie Infinity? What do you guys think of the game? What do you guys think of everything about it? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you want to get started, I will link down below to an awesome channel that you have to check out, Kuku Crypto. He talks about Axie Infinity all the time. He has an amazing set of guides. Panoorin nyo yun. But for now, mag-NBA cards muna tayo dahil sumali ako ng isang random box break. So dito ako sumali ako sa Box Break and Chill Philippines. 1,500 members. Nag-team random sila. I was able to get, I think, Phoenix and Brooklyn. Anyway, before waiting for the break, shout out lang to Adrian of Balenciaga, Singapore for hooking me up with the Balenciaga Sony PlayStation hoodie and shirt. I will be doing a video about it separately. I have a chill unboxing scheduled this Saturday. So mag-unbox tayo ng Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, pati Gucci. So it's a luxury chill unboxing this Saturday. So make sure that you guys tune in here on the vlog. Saturday, meron tayong chill unboxing of luxury items. Again, including this really kick-ass Balenciaga PlayStation hoodie. So tara, balik na tayo sa ating box break. Tingnan natin kung swertihin tayo.
Hindi ko kaya yung isa. Hindi ko kaya yung 2K USD.
Phoenix.
Doon lang ako sa isa.
Phoenix. Siyempre may drama yung pagtakip
okay,
niya.
Nasa taas. Mukhang old card. Mukhang old card. 2019.
Don Ross.
2019. Gen Mint 10. Pwedeng Zion. Pwedeng Jamoran. Sana hindi sila Rui or Tyler. APJ. Press Blue Laser. My goodness. Congrats, Cleveland. Pwede na. Pwede na.
By the way, quick story. Si Nicolas Santos, he's the guy who's doing the box break now. Binilang ko dati yan ng Jordan 5 Supreme na hindi ko size because he posted na he needed to raise funds because he got COVID. So hindi ko siya size, hindi ko kailangan. Pero if you're presented with the opportunity to help, diba, and kaya mo naman tumulong at that time, and he sounded so sincere and genuine, binili ko siya. Para lang makatulong. And nakakatuwa lang na nakita ulit kami ngayon sa pag-box break ng NBA card. And that wraps up the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out, wishing all of you a happy week ahead. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.